This is Ella from Casamona International, and let's get started with this gorgeous apartment located in Barceloneta. Now, let's come on through. It's super modern with all these mirrors, which is perfect to check your outfit before you leave. Now, let's come on through to the kitchen. Now, I think this open plan setup is amazing. I think it's great with the kitchen island as well as the sofa. Now here, just take a look at the view. I mean, it speaks for itself. It's gorgeous. You can see the whole marina here as well as Park Montjuic, which is amazing. It's ideal for people watching and eating your breakfast, lunch, dinner. And as well as this, we also have a balcony located here. Now it's perfect because it's actually covered for the summer months, so it's not too warm. Now as well as this, of course, the apartment has AC, so it's equipped with everything you need. Now let's come on through to the kitchen. Now notice all the storage space, which is amazing. And as well as this, you have plenty of space for chopping up, for making cocktails, hosting dinner parties, whatever you want. Now let's come on through to the bathroom. Now this place has two bathrooms, the first of which is located here. It has everything you need, it has a shower, it has a place for getting ready. Now, let's come on through to the master bedroom. Now here we have a gorgeous, huge bed with two bedside tables, which is perfect. And what I personally love is this feature, where you can actually control the electronic shutters using this, which is super modern and very cleverly designed. Now to add to this great design of the place, you actually have an ensuite bathroom here. So it's ideal, you can just open this up and enter into the shower, and the same for the rest of the bathroom. So it's super convenient for in the night when you need the bathroom. Now, let's come on through to the rest of the apartment. There's also plenty of storage space here, with huge closets for all your clothing. Now here's the guest bedroom, which has everything you need. It's perfect for when you have visitors, and they have their own closet here to put all their clothing. Now as well as this, I love this feature, where you can actually access the bathroom also from here, which is super clever. And here are the washing machines and the dryers, which is ideal. It's super convenient, it's very well designed. If you liked this apartment tour in Barceloneta, it's really an amazing location. You won't find a place better than this, and it's very well designed, it's super modern. I think it's ideal. Now, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this apartment tour, and be in touch. See you later. Bye.